Everyone, today I'm going to be sharing how you can install Google Meet on your desktop without any simulator and also for free. So first one provided in the description box. Next, click on these three dots over here, click on More Tools and click on Create a Shortcut. You can rename it as you want and then second click on Open as window. Remember to enable this option, otherwise it will open in the browser itself. Create. So you can see it open. Now let me show you how it looks from the desktop. You can see now once you click over here, this is how it looks. Now let me show you that we can also, let's just create a meeting and key. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel.